Here we are looking at CLNP. This is the daily chart, and I don't think I've ever done this one before. If I have, it's been a long time because I don't remember it. But I've had a couple people bring it to my attention and haven't been able to do it. But at this point, I really can't put it off any longer. This is probably one of, not probably, it is one of the best looking penny charts out there. If I scrunch this up a little bit more, you can see just ever since it came to life here back in, we'll just call it early August, it's been just a prime example of what an uptrend should look like. None of this, 2-day pop and then drop. This has had some drops, but all the drops have been consolidation drops. So, pop and then some consolidation, pop, consolidation. You get the point, just over and over again. So started way down here, and the triple zeros, and now we're up here over a penny. So I'll say that again. This is one of the better looking penny charts out there in terms of long overall trend. So what I want to do is just map out some support levels, and resistances are a piece of cake because well, we'll get to that. But as far as support levels go, in a chart like this where you have all these moving averages, really the key levels to look at for support are just simply your moving averages. So we have a very short-term support right here at the 10-day, which is valid at 0.0082. But then we have the middle Bollinger Band, or the 20-day simple moving average. This one's right here at 0067, and then we have the 50-period or 50-day simple moving average down here at 0045. Now, given the history of the chart, I don't see the price falling all the way down here, as, again, looking back through the history, the 50-day has never been tested. Wouldn't surprise me to see the 20-day up here get tested, because you can see multiple times that's been tested. But as far as the 50-day, has never been tested, so I wouldn't bet on that. But those are kind of the three levels of support. And then we also have this level right here, which is basically the previous highs where the price just broke above. So that was the big event on the day, was a resistance has now been turned into a support. That level being right up here at what we'll call 0092. And remember, the key for an uptrend, higher lows and lower highs, or excuse me, higher lows and higher highs. And today was obviously a new high, or a higher high, and that's just another step in the right direction towards making sure that this uptrend stays intact. So that was the big dynamic, putting in the higher high. And if the chart continues to repeat what's been going on, a lower low or a higher low, I can't get this straight, is just right around the corner. So great looking chart. It's looking like, according to the message board and stuff like that, more and more people are starting to catch on to this one and see it, because when you pull up the chart, it's hard not to take notice when you see this uptrend. So as long as these higher highs and higher lows, there we go, as long as those two things keep happening, more and more radars are going to get set off, and more people should see it. But overall, great looking chart. Just keep your eyes on the support levels. Oh, and resistance wise, like I said, real easy, real straightforward. Today's high was 0.0105, so that's the current level of resistance before it's back in the blue sky breakout territory. So if there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alert, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was CLNP. Thanks for listening.